This video is perfect for homeowners who want to take control of their renovations without DIYing everything. Let's get started on transforming your home. Step 1, define your goals. First things first, you need a clear vision of your renovation, remodel, or build. Start by identifying which areas of your home need improvement and exactly what you want to do. Do you want a new kitchen, an updated bathroom, perhaps an open concept living space? Does the whole thing need to be gutted and redone? Create a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves to guide your project. Having well-defined goals will help you stay focused and make better decisions throughout the renovation process. And it will make it easier for every subcontractor or vendor that works with you. Step 2, set your budget. Setting a realistic budget is crucial for a successful remodel or renovation. Begin by determining how much you're willing to spend and include a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Aim for around 10 to 15% of your total budget. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to keep track of costs and stay organized. Remember, being financially prepared will help you avoid stress and keep your project on track. We have a couple of these that we give to our clients to help them keep track of everything and know exactly how they're doing in terms of budget versus actual expenses. Really great option to have. Step 3, research and plan. Thorough research and planning are critical for any renovation. Start by exploring different materials, styles, and trends that match your vision. Visit showrooms and browse online resources for inspiration. Once you have a good idea of what you want, create a detailed plan or blueprint for your project. This will serve as your roadmap, helping you stay organized and ensuring that every detail is accounted for. Step 4, hire professionals. Finding reliable contractors and subcontractors is critical for a successful renovation. Start by asking for referrals from friends and family. Check online reviews and consult professional organizations. When you have a short list, conduct interviews to ask important questions about their experience, timelines, and costs. Always check references and view previous work to ensure they meet your standards. Hiring the right professionals will make your renovation smoother and more efficient. And if we work together, we'll give you our checklist of 20 questions that you can ask to make sure that you end up with subcontractors that will create the look that you are dreaming of. Step 5, be your own general contractor. Acting as your own general contractor can save you thousands in renovation costs. You'll be responsible for coordinating schedules, managing the subcontractors, and keeping the project on track. You can stay organized with a detailed timeline and regularly check your project. By taking on this role, you gain more control over the project and can ensure everything aligns with your vision, all while saving 20 to 30% of the project cost. How does that sound? This is what we do every day, and we help homeowners be successful at managing and doing their own renovations, remodels, and builds. Check below for more info on this and links on how you can get started doing this on your home as well. Now, step 6, obtain permits and approvals. Obtaining the necessary permits and approvals is a crucial step in your renovation. Certain types of renovations require permits to ensure they meet local building code and regulations. Start by checking with your local authorities to understand what's needed for your project. Submit your applications early to avoid delay and be prepared for potential inspections throughout the renovation process. Proper permits not only keep your project legal, but also ensures safety and quality of workmanship. Step number 7, order your materials early. Ordering materials early is essential to avoid delays in your renovation. Once you finalize your plans, place orders for all necessary materials, including fixtures, finishes, and appliances. Keep track of delivery times and confirm orders to ensure everything arrives on schedule. Properly store materials to prevent damage before they are needed. Being proactive with ordering helps keep your project timeline on track and avoids costly interruptions. Step 8, prepare your home. A lot of homeowners don't think that much about this before they get into it, but it's really very important to make sure that your home is prepared for what's about to take place. So clear out furniture and personal items from the areas being worked on. This not only protects your belongings, It also provides a clear workspace for contractors. Additionally, use tarps or plastic sheets to cover and protect non-renovation areas from dust and debris. Proper preparation ensures a smoother renovation process and minimizes disruption to your daily life. Step 9, monitor the progress. Regularly monitoring the progress of your renovation is crucial to staying on track. Schedule frequent check-ins with your contractors to discuss updates and address any issues immediately. Promptly handling problems and changes can prevent delays and keep your project moving smoothly. What most homeowners don't understand is that they will be having to do this whether if they hire a general contractor or if they're their own general contractor. So why have the general contractor when you can save that money and pocket it yourself and or expand the project scope that you're doing? Staying engaged and proactive ensures that the renovation aligns with your vision and timeline, leading to a successful outcome. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key steps. Define your goals. Set a realistic budget. Thoroughly research and plan. Hire reliable professionals. Consider being your own general contractor. Obtain necessary permits. Order materials early. Prepare your home and monitor progress regularly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful renovation or remodel. Remember, taking control of your project can save you thousands and ensure everything goes smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more home renovation and remodel tips. And remember, we help homeowners be their own general contractor, saving them 20 to 30% on project costs. Check the description below for more info on how we can assist you in your renovation journey. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.